Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Quick one. Yeah.
Everything back and give the sister, may go give her. Now the same baby father will come. They go.
HIV papa predator. We may mean ya agbewu. Ya agbe we are bolu egbe. Good morning, everyone. Share the video. Make I share. Hello, my darling Queenie. How are you? Good morning. How about the? Good to see you. Other side. Zana no aso denimige HIV positive ge ere predator. Uave when over yari HIV test already by ere. Zan every yak by be. Well, when no yari because if you say me see go do test just now, na doctor report of him best side I say make you since how many weeks now, mamie? Make a first post my one mamie. Talk is cheap, evidence is everything. Ununa no we are now, ununa no ya mo HIV na no ya la we are the argument social media now. Yata mo ikale social media na we are agbewu imya what we are going depression I go no gbegbe imya ya gbo we was do like na no HIV now we ya media now we shall see. How are you? Just the cook they come for na ugbe none we worry na finish ya polegbe. A social media na me ata my girl ayo we saga. Leave my back. Will you live there? Go and sit down. We shall see. Go and sit down. I will beat you. Like and love and share the video. I know we had always saga. Who say you want to do saga? You know the feed they do two video a day, 3 video a day. We had always saga na bina boa. Our video 10 times, 15 times a day. Uda even wo my fake party egbiwe. Men we had dog be mogi go we media mogi video yo we ma metin ru because no be to con lie. You know what this idiot they do? If you talk one lie, you go inside house for like 1 week. You go see Kuko, always you don't see useless person like that. When they say, it's better than no bomb man. I'm a biok we are mason na HIV na a predator na. Imagine person when say we can do saga. You go talk one, you go use 3 days forge. I told you the saga, evidence I was saga. We are not informed. Talk cheap. Evidence is everything. Like the video, my people. Like the video. Yeah, flag when you like the video. Like and. Yeah, take them. This one. Like the video. Yeah, take. Hey. See, take this one. Make una see what this one say. You want me to do saga?
That same birthday when he bring the sandals. That's only one sandal.
Yeah, on saga don't now do. Make una see a zoo saga when this one say won't come do guy.
Now this time when come, they go carry the picking go give for Junction. That same birthday when he bring the sandals, only one sandal so in bad. Sandals will picking go reach 9 years, 10 years before he go to wear. Oversize, now he buy for him.
Mama dead body when he did Germany. The 3 passing when he born. The father don't know whether they do birthday. How much more say he won't come? How much more say he won't see the picking for Junction? How much more say he won't buy something? He passing already Germany. No, there. if they are not rejecting money, whether they even know whether they exist. How many years did this? All this one dog grew. I've a dead body. My pikin they do 1 year birthday. He father. Oh no, I saga the way we are doing. So this one na saga. Ugele ho my man. Uwe ho. Okay, say my pikin they my father now we don't settle. See the people when they happy the time when they quarrel. When my people that they quarrel, I saw the enemy. If they vex say when my baby that see they're happy. Like and love the video. Like and love the video. Not like and love the video, please. They flag like and love, like and love, like and love. Put love. Put like and love. Now this one be the same when we say when you want follow me do. I don't feel announce and before say my baby daddy don't come beg. It day baby life. My baby daddy remember he became birthday come that same day. Ask them when they take social media, people when they get rejected bastard. When the men when they born for, since their children don't grow rich like that, when they even remember, whether they even also even know whether they're born, not talk or say they won't come. No talk or say they won't come or they won't buy give the pikin. The three papa were no. So say that balls. Then this one for you. No. If you don't like our love, we argue.
Give the sister, me go give her. As father when come, they go carry the pikin go give her for junction. That same birthday, when they bring the sandals, only one sandals so bad. Sandals when pikin go reach 9 years, 10 years before he go they wear. Oversize. Now you buy for him.
So when you say you won't beat me, and then what we are doing? Go inside to do saga. They know they use lie, they do saga, and they not be all this kind of one. No, lawa, HIV patient lawa. Go treat this your mouth when you get into when HIV will be now. You don't drink your HIV drugs. Go do your blood test and bring. Maybe we'll see whether you don't get HIV. See your mouth. See your mouth. Ununa we we are do ya gume gwen we do ya gwen kun rita gwen. Unu no keke. Unu gwen na no keke na gere predator. Ibeshile. Ununa we are do ya ununa. Why is this say this is only being like the now what for them family when they wish evil not be today I know say me and my baby daddy come a quarrel now the people not be even my haters happy see the people that will happy. That is why when they see my baby daddy sister for year when they call it shock. The people that were happy that I was me and my baby daddy were having problem now they are so denying me. No pass. See them. That's why I see settle with the picking. They are not happy. You see people when you know wish don't be outside that so. They are not far from you. You know now they watch all this saga now. They watch and like saga. But you cannot learn nothing. You know they learn. You know they look your circle very well. Look at your circle very well. And look whether the people when they're around you, whether they are genuinely happy for you. If now, to come sympathize, they like to, they will be happy deep down. Deep down in them, they will be happy. See, I not get family in me. I not get. That's why I go deal with them for this for them. I saw them in me. Whether they like me or they don't like me, and I don't care. I don't care. You know, get waiting they put for my body. You know, help this one get this HIV patient, so they help you me. Now me don't help in life. If I'm nothing, shishi. So I don't care whether they are in or out of my life. It's better they get. Yes, it's better they are out of my life now. It's better. See, if they cry, they pain and say, my baby daddy, come for a picking. I saw the single all the single mother by stupidity. Whether the men when they born for, they remember the birthday. Whether the men remember the day when they are picking, they do better. How much more say they won't come? How much more say they go bring gift for their picking? Mama dead body when he did Germany. 3 basti now he get. Ask him whether the father, as the man reject the woman, as well reject. Yes, ask them if the men when they born for even remember after the quarrel. Everybody know the way. Now this one even caused the quarrel. Women, my baby daddy call the quarrel now. They are the one that was under it. Because they never wish me to have a baby. They never wish me. They never wish me anything for this life. So that made them for the see until they laugh me. No, I go fair beat her. This one when he writes the head up, I go fair beat her before I go pack him. I go teach her lesson. Yes. I go fair beat the hell out of her pest before I go pack him. This HIV patient, this one when he sick, when he never taking drugs, he say he won't come talk to me. Before I go pack him, I go fair beat him where. Useless set of people.
I can give the sister, me go give her. Yeah. Now the same baby father when come, they go carry the pikin, go give her for Junction. That same birthday, when he bring the son.
You know see Cora Obidi. Now Junction for the exchange they are picking. If man and woman not there, when divorce, when born, you know get everything when they do for my house. We know the fuck. If to say court, it be because we not let court enter. My baby daddy family, they all do and say make I beg, make we all settle on me side, make court no need to come divide and make court no need to court talk. Now Junction, the court no will tell you say make they come inside your house, come inside your account wait and you guys sit together. Now only we and me and my baby daddy come together now say we see the fuck. And now you go come inside my house. But he said now he picking in life, now he hold now he picking in life in one day. And so I say okay, then you're picking in life. Now you they cry put. You see how so the enemy. You see how so the enemy when they pray, when they happy, say me and my baby daddy quarrel. You see them, you seeing them. People when you not wish make I even marry or make I born. You see them. You see them. Are you seeing them? No problem. I like it. I like them. Mama dead body for the social media. The bastard when they reject for them. They don't know whether all those men don't know whether they're born. We quarrel. I get belly. We quarrel. My baby daddy and the family. They not wait till the pikin reach 1 year before they come. They can't beg me to settle with their pikin today. They are the pikin in life. Now that one called the pain now. You see wicked, evil people. Now that one called the pain asshole enemy. Everything wanna wish for me now. You own now with una should head on take carrying. Oh why am not everything wanna they plan for me. No one don't work and it not ever work. We predator now ya moe. As una call me by the rich today unko. Now say no won't give me net today unko. People masters are not punish you now. Yes. They will pretend that they are happy for you, but they are not. Evil people that claim that their family. Oh. Wait, let me give you water. Let me give you water, Asukbe, they do you. Asukbe, they do you. Take now, take water, Take water. Take water. You see them when they say, oh, my enemy, My enemy, people will not wish me good. I better look inside your family where. Now they don't wish you anything good. And now those evil when they wish me, I will continue to be triumphant and continue to excel. I get everything today. The paper when I get today, they use and laugh me now. The paper when I get to this one now when they laugh me paper up to today, you know get and you know go get. This I never come social media, I never come Facebook. That one about 6, 7, 8 years ago, 9, 10 years. Even before they even come this Europe, they never come up for Nigeria. Someone they insult me. So it's not a new thing. That's why I can't prepare. That time when they curse me, even when they when the new concept, what I do, I don't cry. I cry my eyes. I don't strong. Me strong in it. That's why I will face them. Yeah, crushing, them. I will finish them. When they tell me say family, I'm not gay. I can't go. I better not this saga when it starts, it must do and finish. And me no know. Now he talk and say he won't give my enemies something they beat me. I said make we come bring our baby. My baby when he lie for his head. Not be to lie or not to bring the proof. This social media I will tell you. If you really want make my enemy saga me well, me I go post my baby doctor report. Now that doctor report, oh, if doctor report, I'm gonna post it. Now only that one will make me rest for this saga. Yes. Make me rest for this saga. So that sickness when they talk, say now so my picking do. No. Make them for the use after the saga my picking. Make I post it so that they go use after the saga. You say you want a post so that they go use after the saga. Let's post the children when we get. Let's post the doctor reports. Because now you bring picking inside. Now you start to insult this your bastard. Wesley was sworn. You said that they sick, isn't it? Hey, I said make we bring the doctor report. Very bad people. I have a lot in my family. The best way is to run away from them. Yes, that's it. That's what I mean. Now I want to run. I want to run. They try to ban my enemy. Everything they don't do. When they do, they not succeed. Now I want to run. Because before now, let me that they do. Since years, more than 10 years. So now I won't run with my picking. I want to run. In me ale. Ya wait a let me no bon ale na won san. Everything no be today is that to do me. I say no be that one. Now today I don't born. What are you saying? I don't born. That they can't they lie. He go talk is sheep. Me, I can forge anything and say anything, but the proof now that be the problem. You know go fit they come out they as you they talk they bring proof they follow. He thought say now so he buy my he say he won't follow me to saga. I don't know say that the saga when he wanted to thief my property. Imagine person when that life he thought they plan as he wanted to thief my property. Now be this. At their life, you know they plan to take my property. Always they talk, you know they bring proof. Now proof I will take finish you for this media. Talk is cheap, proof is everything. This bastard come out, he said now so he buy the original. My name, my father name when he buy for me and my name, my real name, it one I be this it one as I'm not doing sharing of ownership. The receipts when I take buying, the only not when I get the only not when I get. How one I have The only one say, me, I don't want to build that for Nigeria, me poor. Now, because because the money when I take they live like this house. If I say I want to use money to build that for Nigeria, I use and build. I don't want to build that for Nigeria. And I make me they live the way I take they live. Because if I build that for Nigeria, me not go they live like this. I know they build. People for the buy. People when you build that for Nigeria years ago, that they regret them. Also, now we bought right from time. I get sense for this Europe to say I know they build for Nigeria. If I won't get house, now here if I won't get house, I have the sense. Many people they regret. But it's too late. The only land when I get see the original with all the stamp. See them. See the stamp, everything. The photocopy I did with my dad. The photocopy. This one you come and say na la. He won't come to follow me do saga. Oh boy. When he know they talk with evidence and proof, he said na lie. You want to follow me do saga. As you want to use like follow me do saga, we go see. A shame and disgrace. See for this social a shame and disgrace for Ayala. A shame and disgrace because if they talk, you they bring the evidence. I know say maybe not talk anything. Remind me the evidence. Give them the proof. I know say maybe not talking anything when we want to talk about my house. Give them the proof. Since yesterday, he said now so. If anybody change the land, the name of my land, because there's no way I take sign or agree to sell my land. I leave that land there. If you don't reach better money, I will sell land, carry the money for hand. If you even now when we said even the naira don't even useless. If you sell and say the money will reach how much for here, any property when you get for Nigeria, especially na better useless. Not all one way they be how much. But make it there. If you read time I want to sell and go sell and I buy and to sell and not buy and to build. If you like day, I go if where you are go if if or job budget with HIV patients, I will teach you how to do saga. Where in Nigerian band of film, I don't know why he put your he put them now, but we waiting he talk now. Make we come prove one now. He not gree show. To even show the imbecile children, he know they dead they show. No, talk is very cheap, but bring evidence. Like and love this video. This thing if like say they cease for my side. I don't know whether they cease for my side. If they cease, make I come back. Or we have like and love it, pull love and like so that it go there. Pull love and like. God, thank that he did not poison you. Yes, that's why I go run now. But now I have my son to protect from evil so-called family member. Not be today. I have my son to protect. You don't think when they do me. 10 years, 20, 11 years ago, I they cry now so. But all those cry, everything when they do me that time, can make me strong. For those when they first on social media, not for social media. When for social media for start, not be today. All the thing when they do my back, it make me strong. That's why I will face them. You know, we're not in a place. You sell the land before your so-called brother will sell. So I will cost a number. If he sell without my, he go sell. No, my father, That one I warn. That one I warn you. I come my father yesterday. I say, where my land? He say, he did there. I say, see this of bottle of it, what talk because all go ta of it all away with me, go where or talking more. The original paper may be this. Yeah, post now photocopy there with my dad. My dad no fit change my land with photocopy and without my consent. Without my consent, I mean, if he do on our way, oh, no near see, no be here, and my dad no go do. I don't feel, you know, make my daughter, my dad make it sell. He say no go say. He say if I can't. The wee boy we no here we here. Nothing they can do. You have to sense to be sure. And then I would want. Yes, you can't trust them. Oh. The date when I buy and the year, everything there, my name. Your origin and I he go enter and say la. So you buy land for my hand, you buy land, but I meet them with the paper. The receipts when he take buy the land, when he say you hear what he cash. But you not post receipt when they pay me cash. For you, they not ever they see proof. I mean proof you walk this is mad when he wrote it so no kekena. No, I didn't prove it because if I say I buy something, I pay you cash, I will bring the evidence, I will bring the receipts. But you see this HIV patient, papa predator, no kekena. Forget except for this social media. You get where you use math talk rich. I buy where. They will call the house, you know they bring proof. Now so talk. Now you want talk. Man for that matter. Man for that matter. Now so talk. You want talk. Like and love the video, my people. Okay, then they cry for them. They say they won't beat me at the pressure, but now they cry. When they report, I don't get another. I hope when I go use this period. The page when I share for my this thing, like and love and share it. How can you say your sister sell land to you without no witness to the land? Ask me, no document, no receipt, no witness. Now me sell but now me the land there with. Now man he can't tell them, but he not give them receipts. Oh no, anybody can come out and say anything with their mouth. That's why people know they believe anything when they come out for mouth again. If you not put evidence, join now. This HIV patient, papa predator, make it they put evidence, they join now. Change of ownership with who? Let him post it. He say you guys this change of ownership. Not be so rich. Not be so rich, but up till now we not see Yamami. You see people I never even buy. They don't put eye for my things. Ojobo HIV patient. Go do your HIV and bring the result and see. Post this your imbecile predator. Post their doctor report. You not go do. You say you buy now for my house. Post the receipt and post everything. We not see. In short, me I not see. Venu ma meet up ibadia no meet up ibadia. Venu ho ana. Edu hian ho ati ugu. If I Victor Matamo get there, I will saga. That dirty boy really evil. Very evil. I say I will show that the kind of person when he be. Rapist. The whole world go know you. They know they use light, they do saga for here. And not get we. He won't do saga with us on the social media. He go record. When they no get win a record of your pie, can they play? You not can they use man they talk and what bear you are wagnu. Oga akpe voice era dem no me no gbeo no sungu. That time you can they look. Money na because I want to talk to a we. You know if do nothing. No worry. You know run from that dirty ball before you go say go buy my na me go buy yan. Mo ka gbe na me go buy yan. If they talk say family, they say which kind nonsense evil family be that? Who does that? Do you know what is family? Family, when I know they will be happy for you genuinely. I'm always happy for them genuinely. Everything when they laugh me, when they insult me, God bless me with all of them. He say, oh, another woman for us. Another woman that will deal with old cargo at the day when he look date. You get for us. What bell? I rather not deal with man. And if I won't marry, I will see marry. You will not be there. Whoever. Enemy and you are enemy for life. I rather not deal with man that will deal with rejected old cargo. No faith, no whole world because so bog boy. You no feel walk like your mate carry better woman. What they value. Why you choice? You have been blessed with a beautiful son. Just focus on your son and leave them. They will see what your son will be. Now there are everything will for happen. Yeah, what big? Where's the phone? Yeah, take the phone. Take the phone, sir. Take it. Hey, straight away. Oh, 10 minutes I will be done. Yes. When my pikin, me and they happy, they play for you. They don't like me. I go. That's what they be once they give me the name when not be my own. It's in Europe. I say now only my own now I won't face. All this bastard for no shop my 1 cent. 1 cent Simo. When did they say won't marry me that time? When I say I know they marry. You know we marry. If to say this life they feel they turn the hand of time. The hand of time. My only regret was I no fit turn the hand of time. Because when I come this Europe, when I suffer enter this Europe, I not get picking for us, I not born for us, I not born through way. All this I not born for anywhere, I not born give anybody keep. I not hold anybody 1 cent. The only regret be say I not fit change the hand of time. If not this bastard, if not no sense. Because I know hold them, not be me born them, them be I know hold. If to say now, when me know waiting they say, now only picking when you born, now you get now you responsible for. Not be people when you not born. If to say now, as I will face my life. You know how many from here, man, from here, from Europe here, go do introduction for me for Nigeria. You know how many men they rush me say they won't marry. As I took on a 10 when I even come. They know. See, first, you don't have business with any family member. The only responsibility you have is when you have it. If you never born, you don't get anybody, even if not your papa, even if not your mama. Those one, if you like, is it your papa or your mama? If you like, if you get, if you don't shop, finish. If you not remain, rest. Okay, you say the one when me do When be said the one when I stay supposed eat, I go give some ungrateful bastard. Don't do it. Your papa or your mama for inside. Yes. First shop first. When it comes to farm, the rest of them, brother, sister, not give them 1 cent. You know they hold them. Because I don't want to be the entitlement when African people feel. You know me say you're not born. Me, ancestor bless me. Mother had blessed me. I still born after how many years? Handsome, healthy baby. None of them first still born before me. I not jealous them. I not envy them. I not wish them bad. I not mind since all these years say I not born. But you look and now, the only time when I take born, see the pain when you enter their life to tell you say they want. Because anytime when they come for this Europe, anytime when they come, give me. When it comes to brother and sister, you have no business giving them nothing. You say I feel rewind time to the time I take on this Europe. That would the only change when I for do for my life. It would have been that one. But you learn differently. Useless family. Oh, now you prefer that's your fucking business. But I wish I know I for not trying. Because no matter what you go do for them, they will ask you tomorrow, say what you do. Like this bastard now, no one. So the best thing for you not to do nothing, zero. When I mean zero, not do zero. Not do. They go say insult you, curse you on top. So the best thing, don't. When I mean zero, zero. So that if they talk and they go say you not do a hey, you not say yes. And beside that, you not be you born there or being. Their responsibility, their well-being is not of your business. When they go me to bond them. Oh, yeah, live there now. Ask me, after how many years, after everything when I go through, I go see, but I see my baby, they're happy for years, so they are not happy about it. Now, because I want to go kill them. Why you? You're always like your father. You know the life. Anytime when I get like, they all do your one. I will play all day with you, my love. I love you, baby. They are not happy about it. I say thank God. I say thank ancestor. Thank my mother head. Thank mother head. Yes. They'll get my flesh and my blood. No problem. There's no problem. You not can't see anything do. You say and still lie. No, this time if you want to lie anything about my son. Take this one. No one. Take. But I tell you, they didn't even drink the water that I drink. Yeah, take. Good boy. Yeah, one will not know if you're not careful. If you throw it tomorrow, where are you going to see of the bottle to use? Eh? Where are you going to see of the bottle to use? I want one off here for. You say, check away. No, they always agree. If not be my baby now. When we are in this period. Hey, sit here. Let me go and open that. Let me go and open that. Open it. Evil people everywhere. When they draw this thing, they come down. Evil people everywhere. Be careful. Learn from it. Learn from me. There are people when you don't read, they are happy for you. They are happy when they are not. And make sure you are happy. You are contented on your own. Your happiness, because nobody At the end of the day, you are alone. Nobody's saying you. Create your happiness by yourself, because evil family member na many pass. People when they say you know never died or they claim your property. I will you. They want to like me. They just want to play with me. Anything when I give and go out away. I'm a gualo. I'm a gualo. He don't want to. You go and meet your daddy now. Now, you go stay that side for 1 week. They give me a chance. For 1 week. Just 1 week. Take you there now. You go and spend 1 week there. And I go blala this rotten. You no go do saga with me and Corita. Who get the war? Now be to the talk ashawo. Oh, your mama. Oh, no. Now to the do saga we so you. Oh, we almost to the doctor reporting bedside when a Latin. Oh, we almost to the doctor reporting bedside in an piano vieja Latin. Then when now if don't be say this your children are imbecile. If to say the real way, waiting they stop you to bring the doctor report since you don't lie for my picking head. So that if me not come bring the to say talk people can't believe. Why you not bring your own? Why you not bring them? May we post and bell. Ordinary to even show camera for their face. You they carry their unune boto in the belly, don't you resort to the sick. They not tell this and they say make you remove the baby. They not tell the day with the rotten belly. All can go back in bed. They not tell lamb. They not tell lamb. No, so my pikin be this, no, so my pikin that. I go post the doctor report, make people see them. Make you post your own. To use math, to post all when and what bear you are. Made your word for see. Now that doctor report, now me, up the line when you the last week, they take the line and they post the receipts. They post the receipt now. What? So, who be this one? No, tell me make it post the receipt now. No, go van I go show and they do not they do saga. You know sabi do saga. I go with saga. Oh yes, how many days you know they fit their own live video? If you go still go think 3 days of my live video no what and so do saga. At least a day you go do like 10 50. When man get me, I was saga with live video. I always saga wakala don't allow a day you go do like 10-15 video before this idiot come out yesterday night. So when I tell you say a very useless man, say oh now we are my masse. But in the beginning of this whole thing, when it start bring my picking inside, he say you go beat me. He say you go beat me. I go contact your word the sickness when they sick. You want to go forge? What can you forge now? You know they talk. Huh? How many years you want they talk? What can you forge now? Anything when you talk for my picking, I'll come bring and come and come show the word. May you see bring your own no more ladian. Unu not to ever dog read beshile not way. Everybody know as beshile be. Whether they will see for there, but your own bring and come and make them see whether they will see for their body. Where go with saga? But other to show no say people will see them inside. He said my pikin no dey stand, my pikin no dey waka, my pikin no dey crawl. At this day dey crawl. Now you're imbecile, okay, or you fear we wish a Wesley, a Desmond, or you fear we soon we wish ni. If you were the new you were tani, if you were fear, where Desmond are fear we wish a Wesley are fear who. You all those never place. Remember one go here. Here is a locking. There is a locking. Who fair fight each other? Now if first to the fight, that was what go see kill your children, Jonah. Your best actually like the one when you go see kill and John. Cry or be your brother and every brother obey you. I don't know. I didn't know that this HIV patient idiot for mother. See mother. No wonder she know the letter they come out for live video. No wonder way before I come out for live video, all good way. You go fair go clean na HIV. If you see that boy for TikTok when he saying get HIV, when saying at the same thing, they do and so. No wonder. Now the things when they did their body that they found they won't put. Go do your HIV result, con your HIV test. Yeah, well at them. May we see when they do. Then we are who hele ya me meta we miami ne we am miami. E pan we ke miami. We hate the den we wu. Awu no gbe ne gbe nu we wu. We miami no gbe. You know they use condom. Elwe protection. See do the HIV. Nothing you they prove. They bring come with receipts. A shame and disgrace we are la. If you don't lie, so they lie. You know they bring receipt come out. See the land where you talk. I not sell land for you for nights. I not sell land for you for day. I not sell land for you for money. If you say me do one, you go prove it to the whole world. Now you go prove it. But I just can't use and I go find buyer put here because now when I know say my thing there your eye here any amount in me here ya sign now. Cause now when kidnapper or Giannini say now my property your eye can see there ya here. What devil what soon. The receipt when I take buy me here, mama. Now a receipt me here. You know, a receipt me here or you know how many years? 1 way years the document na ke gwe me. Why do you your hoe ojo here bu e we roba? Ojo bojebo. Ojo bojebo e okay, here boo and a lag will kill you. I will robot okay, no here boo with me diana. I go any agba where you okay. Oh go here boji. The doctor when you dey see but a man am how you take stop on. Make una see lao or wa go okay who tana water. Up till now never bring proof. You know they bring proof. That's to know number one sign of a liar. What devil war. Oh, we always saga. Now yeah, for tell no gear we say make it bring the DNA. DNA Nora. Umami no gear now with DNA na post there. Have you mind me? Post this your in best side ugly who than doctor reports. We see who they go use sickness when it day in picking. That your pastor with the door operates when they don't operate in brain, operate in eye. Ni ya swear and ni do you out, you na buy ni do you out, na dead. Only ni ya ga buy me yo wake be even from Bele. Iya ma go no mu hu dan ni for hu dan na no Bele ni ma ta me no mo for I got your mind be. Say blood no good, say the children no good. Yeah, they do tests, different tests to run on whether the children, whether the pikin good. They not tell this a de Vivian. Now what bije what backbone? They not tell us say it too old. Because he too get HIV. Say the children not good. And post now. Post the doctor report if they bone you well. Post them. For you make you give them receipts. They say they don't tire for you to talk. Oh, you are not tired without no proof. Mama dead body. If they wait for you, that one they wait for proof. You see that one. Ni ana operate. Okay. Now me bring and see here. Yeah. Over here na di copy guy man. I got go when I feel proof lele. Ona you know tale here. Ina go prove ya go home. All see no na so who. So that one still they wait make you give a proof of my own. Or be mu diagije dead body rejected. Ni an reject hormone for me. No. This one and this handicap on my right. You don't know your papa for why. I must make papa won't come in birthday. This one now different me when fuck mama now you know. If to say this one no papa for why, the papa they call the call for no. If for happy, the papa go come in the birthday or go. Oh mommy, I'm a wait rad. I'm not supposed to say papa won't buy gift come for this one with the 6 years so. As before you can't grow from Berlin, now they reject until date. That's why that one they find any man when you go give. I don't need to give my pikin to any man. You more even any other man make the first son. Take him as your pikin. And no man they come my life when they take my pikin and you. Cause on me. That's why this woman bastard for James. They look for man by force when you won't force the children for. Now their papa be this. Now they're born now. I know they look for. If me decide to go into a relationship as a friend man, he's not the father. Come and begin getting papa family. Make it go born. If he born, make it turn down. He go only there as if we marry as the stepfather of my son, the man in my life, and not the serious thing. You know, go know my pikin. I don't remember. Not until you don't even say one man, say no day with man. Say you don't need to. You know, see my picking for why? Not only for Facebook or that they post for internet now go they see. You about personally. What bear you are. Oh no, reje. I go ho the media now will prove an evidence. Oh yeah, fian wo ye koma. You now operator avie mi ya la dian. Bring my own come out no be Wesley be Desmond you are. See give them my own go handicap you know. Now so you want talk he say he will give my enemy something to beat me. Up till now he never give them proof. Umaye mi near the way for you no beo. Uno ya we saga. Inya he nia vie proof inya he wonu bi no vie proof again no ba no because me I will give your enemy proof to buy you. You won't turn on one. You bully here. Me will come drag. Say that my son now you won't come drag. And this your two imbecile baby. Then I will come leave them. You say now my son. Now you want to shoot your mouth. Me guys is more well. Well, yesterday, now only want to come and come do video. He said they do the video. Oh, yes, Ruta, now today, if I got a mouth for then, well, a power day. La wa. Et she ma disgrace waya la wa. But I wait it for everybody don't enter us because he wrong. That's why I go beat you for free. Me I go for free. I go saga you go raw. A saga ari no one now. She error. Ba we mi na rio e na zanzan e ba we zo la dia. O derie ke neki o ho. O na ho wa na isa how your mate you useless. Wait till la jave ke ni we na la dia. Una derie ke vek ni we ya je. Iwa we ga moko la dia. Ou meti moko la dia. Iwa we ga the document la dia. Ou meti de la dia. Iwa we ga driver license la dia. Ou meti de la dia. Nothing you defeat the bring come out. Una hin on my your hand no worry I. Okay, they skip. I will come back later. If he made bring woman, you know they bring woman for them. If he made bring document, you know they bring. He got back for all of them. HIV patients. Like and love the video. Like and love the video. Then the reporter, I never even started the report. I go report tire. The guy go who went, yeah, bolo egbe. I go teach you how to do saga. Yeah, I'm when I was a guy. So you never know how to do saga. When we are allowed, when we may. Okay. It's okay now. Okay. Follow this page. Follow this page. Sorry, daddy. Follow this page. This one now. Mommy King Leo Lifestyle 1. Another one still there. Mommy King Leo Lifestyle. That one is just lifestyle. Then you wait. This one still there. This one still there too. I will use your abuse small page. You don't tell me people they look for me. I'm not going to publish my page because I'll use you abuse small one put for day and river. If Facebook is going to be yeah, wearing our momo. Cause not be say Facebook they pay now. So now people go use you abuse small one. Yeah, wow, iye-eki. Yeah, wow, iye-eki. Yeah, build there. In case if Facebook good later. For my YouTube, follow me on my YouTube as well. I they drop some for there. When here I go on Zuana no ho not there iye-eki when I kill now they put on there. See you guys later. I'll come back later. Lare. Okay, sorry. Lare na dog na boa. Dog saga no na ho. You use less on top of saga. Please don't be hungry. No, I'm not. I'm not angry with any other person. Where I put control when na dead this HIV patient there. He and control when at the same thing now. He and control when at the same thing forever. Titi lie. Forever, even in next life. He and control when at the same thing. Waiting go buy insurance control when now me go the pull hand. He and control when at the same thing. So that's it. Be careful. Open your eye. The lane. See you guys later. Lare no do saga lare. Ozwe wo bi. You go do one saga. You go use 5 weeks. You go use 1 week. Think of waiting. You won't come talk again. Okay, we zwo la dian. You go do one. You go still do one. That's what they do saga. You know what to be saga. Let me say you don't understand saga. Okay, la one. Okay, I think all you have ta. You will come first go sing the lie when you won't lie. Go see comment. Edo we are well. I pour spit for your face. Whoa. We're useless somebody. A bombo clan. You are a bombo clan. If you want, that's why some people they buy land for Nigeria. They will buy land for Benin. If they buy and finish, the money go. If the owner come, he will collect his thing back because all CMA. That's why if you want to buy a land, buy it properly. Who does say? And any land where you see this land now maybe the first person when you don't buy land. My own they issue and put. I not do changing of ownership for that my land. That's different. So anybody want to buy another, go see say if you want buy land, you see say changing of owner day. Ask question well. If you want to say this my land now, the person go see and say, now me, now I really get and now me be the first person, they never first change and I don't be the original when they take the sell land. You see now when they do lobo change of ownership, your money go pay. You go work it, now make many people for Nigeria now, their money pay. Because you will need to check well. Because if you go do lobo because they say shifting for you. If the owner come go collect and you will get out. If the owner come with your your money go pay. I am the first owner. Me, I not do changing of ownership. Now me be the original owner. The issue and put. I not buy for person hand. Imagine Obama. Patient, papa predator. You what they talk? Imagine Obama. So if anybody wants to buy, you say now, so you want buy the bond, you not buy from me. I will collect my thing back. I will papers. Igwe. Now the same thing. Now my dad tell me. He say if anybody wants sell now. If anything, if you say all this kind of thing won't happen. I say not be me. If you want to buy my land, you're now me won't want to buy me. It's as far as say not be me. That person money go pay. You're going to sell for you now. Where you say you want thief because you and that person are the same thing. That is why now even now for Nigeria, for being anywhere, and not they buy land anyhow, they buy us anyhow. Not they do lobo. That's why me your content like and that make me feel relax. But anytime from now I go sell them. I want to never relax. Because many people money don't pay. When they go they buy and say na me you're selling. The person will come and go drive you come up for them. It don't happen. So me I not get fear. When I go sell and go sign. The money when it take pay me, the receipt go there, you go issue one, a bear raw. I go see the money, you go put out for my account, you go make me a proof. That's how to buy a land. Not be lobo. Me here turn web as one waver. Me sell land for you for daytime, much more afternoon, much more night. I think war. If I want even sell my land for 100 euro, you get money. Oji. At 20 euro, when they buy now they buy land. You not get pin. Now if they love people, you not get this one, you not get this one. Now person you want thief now well. You not get. You say person not get anything. And now this one not get nothing. I get ask for Europe. I get ask for Europe. I don't need to gas for Nigeria. If I want go, if I don't pay finish, I will send and hold the money. Buy the rainy latest house. See, do stay yo. What they war. Now you they stay for one day. Now next one will see come out, you see come one all dog your man bell. Honorary pin you not get for Nigeria, you not get for Europe, you not get documents, you not get nothing. Now go see come last person. Wow, devil. Wow, na person you want. Okay, me we adora. Now, Max are there for Europe. Come build that for Nigeria, they can't dey here. Come dey one room here, wa gbe o wa gun. Wait, since is happy because what did not come to pass. Thank you. See this one now. I tell you, I said not before social media for start. You don't go believe me. Oh, that is when I tell you say I'm ready for household enemy. I'm ready. Because not be last 5 years it start, not be last 6 years. They're not happy. See, because waiting their plan, waiting their